Now Laird will combine Jewish and Guyanese ingredients to create a one-of-a-kind recipe called Curried Lox and share his newfound heritage with his family. Mr. Laird Hercules, I hope you realize what time it is.
It's game time.
It's game time. I want you to feel comfortable. I want you to have fun.
All right.
Okay? You've got your DNA Dinners kitchen crew standing by to help.
Thank you.
So you're in good hands. And I've got the recipe. Take a look.
All right. All right, I get it now. Picture looked interesting. Now it makes way more sense.
It's game time. Let's do this.
Bring it in. All right. And Remy, can you chop this cilantro for me? It's a gorgeous piece of fish. Halibut, it's a good fish to use. Just need some scotch bonnet peppers.
The halibut is cured in a mixture of scotch bonnet peppers, curry, sugar, and kosher salt.
Okay, roti, gotta make some dough. All right. Okay. Good.
Roti is a flatbread that's super popular in Guyana. For this dish, Laird is making roti using rye flour in a nod to the European Jewish staple, rye bread.
Okay, that's good to go. Yeah, just gotta leave it out for an hour, so thank you. Awesome. All right, what's next?
Who doesn't love roti?
Yeah. This is rye roti.
They say every good man has to know how to make a roti.
I'm a good man in training right now.
That's it. Have you actually made roti before?
Yeah, but I've eaten way more than I've made.
These guys are helping you out. You need anything?
No, I'm cool. I just gotta hustle.
I'm gonna leave you to it.
Sounds good, man. Enjoy. Thanks. Cheers. So I'll be serving dinner to my mother, my father, my stepmother, and my stepfather. One of the awesome things about my family is they still hang out with each other, and my parents get together even without me there.
You good?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So, family's here.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yes.
This looks good.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure you're in the right spirits. You gonna be good?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's gonna be great?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Laird tops the rye roti with cream cheese and a spicy Guyanese red curry paste, then finishes it off with thin slices of cured halibut and sprigs of fresh dill. How are you guys?
Very well. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited. Laird told me I was gonna love you guys, and I feel like we're gonna have some fun.
We are.
Okay. Laird had a great day. He is excited to share with you guys. He said, I love them. I have no step parents. They're all my parents.
That's so nice. That's so nice.
I think that'd be true.
This news that he has is big, and he's excited to share with you guys the people he loves the most.
Yeah, we are really
Excited and anxious.
He's anxious too because he's been working on putting this combination of Guyanese mixed with the newfound culture. It's gonna be a tasty meal. It's gonna be big news, and we're gonna have fun.
So what do we have here?
We got it. Finally, it's time.
Thank you.
What do we have?
Yeah.
Whew. Ready. So much has gone into this. I'm just so happy all of my parents are here. I'm excited for you guys to try it.
Okay.
Whoa, I don't even get to touch this.
Interesting, huh? I think it's like a pickled fish, a red pepper hot sauce kind of. It makes me think of the Mediterranean.
But I feel like the rest is like bagel and like lox, maybe.
Well, and I'm tasting a bit of cumin or curry in there.
You guys are just like food detectives.
Bring us to the point. So where are we going? Where are we from?
My genetic heritage is European Jewish. And the meal that you guys just ate was called Curried Lox. So at the top, you got the halibut, you got cream cheese, you got curry sauce, and then you have roti. You have roti at the bottom, and the roti is rye roti.
Okay.
So I nominate Laird to make that for our next family gathering.
I second it.
Okay.
Obviously, that's a unique combination to be able to say, I'm Guyanese and I'm European Jewish. Like, I don't have too many Guyanese European Jewish friends, but I do now, right? But you're even more unique than you realize.
More than I know?
More than you know, player.
Whoa, okay. Another envelope. You have my attention.
Okay.
Yes.
You are also Spanish and French.
What?
Oh, wow.
Spanish and French.
Okay, nice. There you go.
That has to be from your side, buddy.
So fascinating.
Yeah.
And delicious.
2, knowing who I am now, which is many people.